Laptop keyboard is not for long lasting. After use some days it started showing a lot of problem. Keys doesn't work properly and sometimes it works without pressing on keys. So on in this case we have a use an external keyboard, but before use an external keyboard we have to attach or disable our internal keyboard, as I disable in my laptop right now. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to disable laptop inbuilt keyboard from the settings. So let's get started. As you can see, this is my screen. Click in the window and here you can go device manager. When you click the device manager, one window will be pop up here. As you can see here, the device manager is opening. Here you go, it's open already now. Then you have to go to here in the keyboard, and keyboard you can see here as there is two types of the keyboard. This is the HID keyboard device and another is standard PS2 keyboard. Then click here standard PS2 keyboard, right click, and here you have to click driver update. When you click the driver update, then go to the second option, browser of my computer for drivers. Alright, so click here, let me pick from a list of available drive on my computer. Click here, then as you can see here there is no more driver, so you have to uncheck this box. When you uncheck box, then scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see here option SUH, then choose SUH any of them, then click next. Then click here yes on this option. Then the Windows has successfully updated in your drive, and close here, and you have to restart your computer one time. Then after restart this will be work. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel.